The delivery unit at the Cornwall Regional Hospital has noted an increase in the number of women having babies at the facility. While the birth rate is low nationally, medical staff told TVJ News that is not the case in St. James. The hospital welcomed 5 babies on January 1 and more patients keep coming in.
It's a bit challenging. So far, we have 13 patients with 5 neonates, newborns. Yesterday has been challenging so far. This is like a 8-bed unit, and we have over 13 patients.
Operations have been disrupted at the delivery unit due to ongoing renovations at the hospital. However, registered nurse midwife Hermin Levy-Letman said things have improved when compared to the beginning of 2025. Meanwhile, TVJ News spoke to the mother of one of the first babies born in 2026.
The midwife did okay. We just work with what she said, work with and just do everything and just cooperate.
And you came about what time, you know?
12:23.
12:23?
Yes.
Okay, how much is it?
£9.